Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial. Please do subscribe my channel. In this tutorial, we will explore about path exist activity. I'll go to activity. I'll search this activity path exist. Here as a parameter to this activity, I have to specify two parameters. First one is files or folder, second one is path. Means this activity will check whether file or folder whose path I have specified over here exists or not. If it exists, it will return true value. If it does not exist, it will return false value. Like I'll take folder over here. I already have one folder in this project, that is test folder. I will specify path of that folder in double quotes over here like this. Now this activity will return one boolean value to me. I'll create one variable for that by pressing Ctrl K, is exist. If required, I can print value of that variable. For that, I'll use one activity, that is write line is exist dot toString. I will execute this workflow. It is returning true to me, means this folder exists. If I'll make it as new folder 1, I will execute this again. This time I am getting false, means this folder new folder 1 does not exist. Now I'll check for files. File. I already have some file in test folder, that is test.txt. So here I will specify name of my file test.txt. I will execute this again. This time again I am getting true, means this file exists over there. Now I'll make it as test2.txt. I'll execute. This time I am getting false, means this file does not exist. We can use it in another way. I'll use one if statement. If here I will specify if is exist equal to false, means file does not exist, then create file, on this path. Here I will specify path, and file name test2.txt. In another case, if it already exists, means if this value is true, then we will print one message by using write line file already exist. Now this file is not there, so I will execute this. Currently only test.txt is there. I will refresh this. So this file test2.txt is created over here. I will execute this again. This time I am getting message file already exists. This is how path exist activity works. With this, I will wind up this session. Thanks for watching this video.